Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook Shops cover on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the social media button next to the whiteboard option. At the Facebook section, you can find the Facebook Shops cover. And you can make a cover from your online Facebook shop. You can upload picture, videos and audios to the Canva, or select pictures and videos from your gallery from your device. If you click to the element section, you can search graphic elements, stickers, photos, videos, charts and more. If you tap to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select a template and step on it. You can edit this template, and if you want to change the color, just tap to the square icon next to the design button and just select a color. If you want a particular picture, just go to the gallery or upload section, choose a picture and drag it the frame, and done. If you want to change the color, just click that and write your text, and you can edit your text, your font size and the font style and the font size if you tap to the plus icon or the minus. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.